Hello everyone, my name is Dinesh Krishnan. Let's begin our Java learning by writing a simple hello world program. How to do that? I have my IntelliJ IDE with me, so you can find a click create new project option over here. Click on it. You can select the Java, give a next, then you can name your project. I'm going to name this project as Java-tutorial. Give a finish. Now you can see that the new Java project is created. So named Java-tutorial. So just open a project and then you can see the source folder. Just right click on the source folder and go to the new. I'm going to create the new class. Since we don't know what is a class, so let's have an idea about the class later. So as of now we'll focus on creating the new class, right? So I'm creating the new class called Hello World. So you can see the new class is created. So I'm going to have a main method in it. Public static void main string array. So if you see that this is the method signature for the main method. So we have a class, we have a main method. Now let's focus what we have to do. So we're going to print the hello world, right? So I have to do that. System dot out dot println. So I'm going to print simply what hello world. So let me run this program. Here we go. We got what our first hello world program using a Java programming language.